What's your name?
Ernesto.
Ernesto.
Yeah.
What was the problem?
Yeah, the problem is because 2009 I got operation. After that, after a few years, 2011, there's another operation again.
Where?
Here at the back.
In your back?
Yeah, at the 2011, the doctor decided to put the screw at the back.
How many
metal.
screws?
Three pieces.
Can you show us where exactly?
Yeah.
Here? Okay. And you couldn't move correctly?
Yeah.
And you had pain in your body?
Yeah, from here.
Can you show him where is the pain exactly? Had you had pain?
Yeah, from
Here? Yes. And it was affecting your right, left too, the pain?
Both sides.
And what happened right now?
And now I got
Healed.
the pain is I got the pain is
Jesus took it away.
yeah. But Jesus healed me.
Can you show us what you can do that you before couldn't do? And you can do this now.
Yeah.
Do it 5 times. Can you do it 5 times quickly?
Even 10 times I can do.
10 times you can do.
But before I cannot point my finger at the.
You couldn't reach your feet. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Praise Jesus.